Okay, welcome everyone. So first of all, as I said last night, I did send a wire to the Kollel for another $1,360. So thank you to all those of you that make it possible. We are dedicated here by the Fisher family, Lila Nishmas Basi Bas Rabbat, Shlomo ben Avram Alevi, Perel Bas Ruvain. We learned Lila Nishmas David ben Chaim, Refuah Shalem for Yomis Mechai Yisor, Yaakov ben Bas Yaleah, Schus of Avram Minyam Benish ben Mak Yudis and family, by Yo Klugman and family, the Refuah Shalem for Moshe Meir ben Esther Fradel, Rivka Bas Shira Leah, Devar Bas Shoshimina Meir ben Chai Yisor. They should have a Refuah Shalema, B'Seich Shar Chayil Yisrael. We are holding in the, Gedalia just in time, we are holding in the 6th parak with Mishna Hey. The following we don't swear over. For Avodim, we know we don't swear on Karka, and Avodim are Hukshul Karkais, are juxtaposed to Karka. Vashtarais are promissory notes. Promissory notes are not, have no intrinsic value, and we don't swear about shtarais, we don't swear about notes, we don't swear about karkais, va'akdashis, nor do we swear about things that were dedicated to the temple. And ein b'hem tashlumei kefil, there's no kefil for karka or shtarais or avodim. V'lei tashlumei abba v'chamisha, if it's, let's say, it's hektish of animals, a sheep, there's no tashlumei abba, and an ox, there's no tashlumei chamisha. Shemichinam ein nishpa, a custodian does not swear if he was a pesha, if he was neglectful. Noisisachar, a paid watchman, ein mishalim, he doesn't pay for gnei vavaveda. Reb Shimon says by kachim it depends. Kachim shechayov b'achriyusan, where a person said a neder, right, and where he says hari alai oila, so where he says hari alai, if it gets stolen or lost, he has to replace it. So there, it's considered a davar agorim lamaman. And a davar agorim lamaman kimamadami, that which generates money is like money, and therefore there would be a shmua, there would be a kefil, etc. But if he's not chayav because he just said harizeh, this should be an ayla, so if it gets lost or dies, he doesn't have to replace it. So it's not a davar agarim lamaman. Ein nishban aleim. There's no shvuah over it. Now the next Mishnah talks about something that is fully grown but attached to the ground. And the question is, do we say kala oimed lekatzer kekatzer dami? Whatever is ready to be harvested is like it's harvested. Ha'oimed libatzer kebatzer dami. Whatever is ready to be vintaged in the vineyard is like it's already vintaged, and then it has a din of metaltalin. Or do we say that since it's attached to the ground, it still has a din of karka, and therefore there would be no shvuah? So Rameir Aimer yesh dvarim she'en kekarka. There are things that are still attached, but ve'enon kekarka. They don't have a rule of karka, because since they're ready to be harvested, it's as if it's harvested. But ve'en chacham moedim lo. The chacham don't agree. Ketzad, what's an example? Where eser gefonim tu'unais masarti lach. I tell Rabbi Yaakov, I gave you 10 loaded vines I gave to you, attached to the ground. But they're loaded, they're ready to be harvested. And Rabbi Yaakov says, it was only 5. Now, if it would be metaltalin, he would have to swear, because he's a moed mixes. But it's attached to the ground. So Rameir Mechayev Shvuah. Rameir says, since it's ready to be harvested, it's as if it's metaltalin, and therefore he has to swear. The Chacham say, no, whatever is attached to land is like land, and therefore he doesn't swear. We only swear about something that's either measured, v'shebemishkel, that's weighed, or v'shebeminyan, that's numbered. Therefore, if I say to Rabbi Yaakov, bayis molei masarti lach, I gave you a full house worth. V'kis molei masarti lach, I gave you a full purse. And Rabbi Yaakov says he's very coy about it. He says, any day, I don't know. I just know that whatever you gave me, I gave back. Ella mashinachta atanoitel. Whatever you left me, you took. Potter. Why? Because I didn't say an amount. A full purse, a full house, that's not an amount. But ze'omer araziz, if I say that it was full until the rafters, v'ze'omer arachalain, and he says, no, it was full until the window, so he was meidim b'mixas, and there is a measure until the rafters, or until the window, that's a measure, then chayiv, then he would have to swear, because that constitutes meidim b'mixas in a davar shebemida, in something that's measured. Again, Daf Yomi tonight is at 8 o'clock. There is no second minyan. Chanani ben Akash Amar